My name is Siobhan Kaur. I am the designer maker of Celtic Irish Art, a handbag and jewellery accessories brand. I am from Derry in the northwest of Ireland. I work in leather crafts from hand tooling to create unique earrings, pendants, cuffs, guitar straps and belts. What inspires me is Celtic design and Irish folklore and rock art from our stone monuments around Ireland, such as Newgrange. I design and make all my pieces. I use a variety of materials: leather, Irish Donegal tweed, Irish linen, and incorporate real gemstones into my work, such as moonstones and turquoise stones. I hand tool each individual piece of leather, and then I paint and antique it and finally dye them. I've been using leather patchwork as a design feature in my work for a number of years. I really like using my remnant scraps in a creative and artistic way, blending autumnal brown tones and a different colour palettes. My 2020 handbag collection incorporates leather patchwork squares, and I use high quality soft buttery leather scraps to create my large boho 1970s inspired bag. So much leather is wasted in large industrial production of shoes, clothing and upholstery. I am lucky enough to get some of my leather given to me from an upholstery factory, where they use premium Italian hides, and I receive some of their remnants. It's a shame to dump this waste in landfill when you can reuse and recycle it by using good creative design skills and in making a leather patchwork handbag. I sew and stitch together my leather patchwork pieces using a heavy-duty industrial zigzag machine. The heavyweight gauge thread lends itself to that 1970s boho hippie hand-stitched look with the beautiful zigzag stitches.